I did a video talking about natural nystagmus. And remember, nystagmus is the involuntary jerking of the eye that police officers look for when they are doing a sobriety test. And so I did the video to show that natural nystagmus does occur. Here's what it looks like. And somebody jumped in the comments and said, hey, John, how do I tell a police officer politely that I have a natural nystagmus and that I have a medical marijuana card, so I do smoke marijuana, so I don't want to take a chemical test at the station? Well, a couple of things. Number one, to tell the officer that you have a natural nystagmus politely, there should be a point where they ask you, do you have any medical conditions that could cause problems on this test? And you're going to say, well, hell yeah, I do. And you're going to tell them, I have a natural nystagmus and it can cause problems on this test. That is how you politely tell them about the nystagmus. Now, as far as the blood draw, that's a little bit different. Blood or urine, either one. You've already told them, or you plan on telling them, that you have a medical marijuana card, or they found the card, and so they know you smoke because you've admitted it. So not doing the chemical test actually hurts you, not help you. Because if you only smoke, then nothing else will show up in your system. And if the officer said you had HGN, that'd be wrong, because cannabis does not cause HGN. Well, they wouldn't be wrong. It's just that they would be wrong that it was caused by a drug or alcohol. Because cannabis does not cause HGN, and if you go ahead and take the chemical test, it'll show up as a cannabinoid. We can break that down into hydroxy and carboxy. Now, what's hydroxy and carboxy? Carboxy is the waste metabolite of marijuana. If you have nothing but carboxy in your system, it is non-impairing. You can't be impaired by it. Now, if you have hydroxy, you've recently smoked. So, if you have hydroxy, maybe you're impaired, maybe you're not. If you have carboxy, you're not. So, it is helpful to have that, because if you're righteous and you're not impaired by marijuana, that blood test is what's going to prove it.